New at 5:45 tonight, just hours ago, the family of Andre Hill, their attorneys, and several other clients held a virtual press conference. They spoke about a new law that could make it more expensive to access body camera footage and make the wait time for that video longer.
I felt like it is a step backwards for transparency and accountability.
Columbus police officer Adam Coy shot and killed Andre Hill back in December of 2020, and a jury found Coy guilty of Hill's murder in November. Now, 10 TV investigative reporter Rochelle Aline first told you about that law back in December.
And tonight, she's asking those attorneys what they want to see done about it.
Justice for Andre Hill.
Andre Hill's family says the thing that helped transform their chance for justice in December of 2020.
We, the jury, being duly impounded and sworn, to find the defendant, Adam Coy, guilty of murder.
Into that verdict in November of 2024 was this body camera footage. The video shows Hill walking out of a Columbus garage toward former police officer Adam Coy with a cell phone in his hand. Moments later, Coy would fatally shoot Hill after claiming he thought Hill had a gun on him. But in a press conference on Thursday, Hill's family and their attorneys said they worry that other Ohio families may not get the same justice because of a new law.
Had that footage not been there, it would have spun a whole different scenario because it could have been his word against ours and not what you see.
It allows law enforcement to charge the public up to $750 for body camera footage and 5 days to quote you a price.
Are you guys asking the governor for a direct repeal of this law?
Candidly, we believe this is it's a bad law. It doesn't need to be in place. Whatever needs to take place in order for it to no longer exist, that is what we're asking. That's what we would ultimately be requesting.
In December, Governor DeWine defended this law by saying it protects smaller law enforcement agencies from being overwhelmed by large video requests.
Question of whether you get it. It's not a question of whether how fast you get it. It's simply a question as a matter of public policy, are we going to require some reimbursement for that?
But attorneys for Hill's family aren't accepting that explanation.
Millions of dollars that are allocated towards law enforcement. The least they can do is put together body camera footage of which the taxpayers are already paying for.
In Columbus, Rochelle Aline, 10 TV News.
Now, 10 TV has been pushing Columbus police to see if they'll be changing their policy on body camera footage. And just hours ago, they sent us the following statement. That statement says, quote, our legal and policy advisors are taking the time to review how to implement any changes. Any changes in costs will be communicated. The current cost is $1 for a disc and 5 cents per printed page. The Columbus Division of Police is and will continue to be committed to the transparency and openness our community rightly expects.